Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing my nails for my birthday. The first thing I'm doing is just prepping my cuticles and softening them up with this cuticle solution, this goo. Moving on to scraping all that dead nastiness away. Raising the soft skin so I could move on to clip that dead skin off. My favorite part, probably. It's so satisfying to do this. And then I'm just taking acetone and cleaning everything up, drying out any oils that I might have or residue. Then I'm going to prep more with my dehydrator. And then I'm going with my primer. And it's important to dehydrate and prime your nails because they make the fake nail last a lot longer. I'm using glue to go over my nails because it also helps for the fake nail to stick on. I'm using the coffin tips. They're medium-sized coffin tips. Well, they were long-sized coffin tips that I clipped to size of my liking. So they're a little they're kind of like medium. Now I'm just gluing them onto my fingertips and curing them for about 30 seconds. Like a flash cure under this mini lamp, and then I also went in and cured it for much longer under a full-size lamp. I'm just filing my nails to get a better shape. And then for my base coat, I'm using this nude gel polish. It's very light, very simple. And then going over with a shimmery top, just to cap with my nail. Now onto the charms. Okay, we're gonna go with my melody. Oh, sliding off a little bit. Oh well. I also ended using this builder gel to create this relief look and adding some little pearls. So this is how they turned out, and I think they're really cute and were pretty simple to make. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!